Hello everyone, here we are going to divide and repot Drosera latifolia. I had this plant for about 2 years. I was supposed to repot it last year but I didn't, so it definitely needs to be repotted this year. So now that I divided these, I'm going to go ahead and repot them. If you see here at the bottom of the tip of the root, you can actually see that it's still healthy. That's a good sign when you see this color here. And I'm using peat moss, perlite, and sphagnum moss. So you can see here that now I divided it into 3 pots. Thank you so much for watching My Colorless Carnivorous Plants. Have a great day. Bye. I was doing some leaf cuttings and I did some Drosera pulchella and Drosera tokaiensis.